Hi, this is Steve Blake. I'm the Solutions Consultant for Access Control and ID Systems here at AIT. I've been advising people on their security for more than 15 years now, and today I'd like to talk to you about the new SALTO JustIN app. The whole point about JustIN is that it's there for your mobile phone. Imagine the fact that you've got no more cards, no keys or fobs. There's no replacement costs, so you get a much greater saving, and it makes life a lot more simple. You can do all that with the new JustIN app for SALTO. Mobile phone technology has completely transformed our lives in a way that people wouldn't have imagined 20 years ago. Nowadays your phone is pretty much the ultimate multifunction gadget. It's a very high powered and capable computer in your hand. It's probably more closely embedded in our day-to-day lives than anything has ever been before. I guess you could think of it as like a remote control for your entire life these days. It's no surprise that SALTO have developed an app to use that mobile phone within your access control systems. So over time, all of the sort of keypads, proximity readers, biometric systems can be replaced by solutions that use a smartphone. It's convenient, as I said, it's less expensive, and it's more secure than the older technologies. And as you know, the smartphone now, it's everyone's constant companion, as I previously said. So the mobile key app is called JustIN. You can therefore use your controlled access anywhere that you want to. If you're there with your phone, you can use it as controlled access. If you look around the campus for students, in hospitals, hotels, large corporate organisations, anyone that has both IDs logged and an access control system, the JustIN mobile key will work for you. The app allows users to receive updates, and effectively the telephone itself uses its BLE, its Bluetooth Low Energy, to communicate with the lock on either the door, the handle, whatever the system is. It works with the whole of the new XS42 range of readers from SALTO. I've done a recent webinar regarding that, so feel free to have a look on our website and the video libraries for that. And you don't need any special software. If you've got the space software and you've got the XS42 readers, you can use BLE. There's two modules that you need to add to it. It's called HAMS and Mobile Key. And that therefore sets you up with everything you need. The app on the phone itself is completely free, and it's available via the Google Play Store or the Apple iStore. Obviously Android or Apple devices are what it works on. What happens for the user is that they get a confirmation message saying that their new key has been sent to them. That if there's a change to any of their access rights, that's all in there at all. So they just tap the start button. They're prompted to present the phone to the lock itself, and then they just hit the unlock key. The door will then, as it would with an ID card or a fob, either open or not, depending on whether you have the correct credentials. So it's very, very straightforward. It's very easy to use from an end user's point of view. And as I say, how many people lose their mobile phones? Not very many. They're absolutely key to our lives these days. The mobile key also, it can't be duplicated. Unlike a mechanical key and even some of the RFID technologies, it's encrypted. So the data itself is encrypted using a secure socket layer, an SSL for those of you that get these things. And the encryption is AES 128-bit. So it's a very secure solution. What it means is that you can use it on entrance doors, you could use it on lifts, car park barriers, meeting rooms, anywhere that you can use an ordinary access control point, you can use your JustIN key because it simply replaces the card or fob that you would normally use. It's an absolutely ideal solution for somewhere where you need to control remote areas. Maybe if someone changes how often they go somewhere, if you have different people going to the same place, then you can update their keys, send it to their phone. Because the phone is the update point itself, straight through, not a problem. The one thing that is for certain is that your mobile phone technology is being developed greatly. So people are going to be using their phones for more and more. This is just another one of those new uses that you'll be able to put your phone to. I think it's inevitable that smartphones were going to become part of access control because of the way they become part of everything else. So if you haven't started thinking about it already, maybe you should start thinking about it now. Obviously we're here to advise you and help, so please feel free, either give us a call on 0113 273 0300 or drop us an email at solutions@ait.co.uk. Thanks very much. Bye bye.